Welcome in Indian talent show. Yesterday we make a first part how to re-alive of a almost dead lemon plant. Now for faster growth of this plant we are making a second part. In this we take a cow or buffalo domestic manure, okay, and we add, just take a look. With this it will get all the nutritions all minerals it will get, and it will grow faster. This is a bag of manure, and slowly we are adding it in the plant. Okay, it is a must. Water and manure is must. Never add chemical fertilizers. Only add domestic manure up to the level of this. Okay, we added. Okay, now it will grow faster. Thank you.